Good morning and welcome to another episode of Pi Tou's Thai Kitchen. Today we've got home cooking dish. So this is Kway Teow soup, and this is so easy to do at home, and it's really tasty, healthy, and so simple. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around.
Good morning, welcome to Pi Tou Thai Kitchen. Today we are going to make Kway Teow soup chicken. This is all the ingredients. Let me just show you one by one. Chicken breast, about 200 gram. Chicken breast, one piece of celery. Coriander, we cannot get the coriander root, we just get some stem like this. About 20 gram. And 6-7 cloves of garlic, chopped spring onion and coriander, black pepper, the seed. This one about 1 teaspoon. We put it later. Light soy sauce and Maggi sauce, preserved garlic and rock sugar. Okay, let's start. We crush this one with crushed garlic. Teaspoon of black pepper, whole black pepper. With this one, with coriander. We crush it. If you don't have this one, what you call this one?
Pestle and mortar.
And then you can bang with the big knife. Just bang. No need to be very fine. Just like this.
Just to release the flavor.
Okay. And then we put in the white cloth. Slice the celery in small pieces. And preserved garlic. Become like a bag. Okay, now
You're going shopping.
Bag shopping. Okay, now we put the water in the pot, about 2 liters of water. This one you can make it about 2 or 3 portions. If leftover, you can put it in the fridge. Can last a few days. When the water, wait until the water boil. Let's see a few minutes. Okay, while we waiting for the water to boil, we just marinate chicken a little bit. Soy sauce a little bit, and then black pepper. Let the taste absorb to the chicken. Okay, you can see the water is boiling. We just put chicken breast in there. This chopping bag in here. Leave it about 15 minutes until the chicken has cooked. But if you see the frost come up, you just throw the frost. And with the low gas, Yeah, if you put the high gas, the soup will become very cloudy, muddy. Yeah, the salt and all these ingredients you can smell and make it taste nice. Okay. The chicken have cooked. You can see the color. Look, and the chicken have cooked. Right, and then we put this Maggi. 1 tablespoon. And then light soy sauce. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 rock sugar. But this one difficult to say the amount. Yeah. Yeah, just put. Yeah.
Maybe a 1.5 teaspoon.
Just try 1 spoon first. And the garlic. Yeah, the water from the garlic is put 3 tablespoons. Yeah, that's it. Then you take the chicken out. You tear into small pieces. Because of course you cannot eat the big one like this. Okay, now we got the right taste, natural sweet, a little bit salty from light soy sauce, nice smell from Maggi sauce. Right, and then we boil the water in a different pan. And we boil it noodle. Okay, this noodle, yeah, 3 mm size. This one for Pad Thai. Because this one dry from the packet. Yeah, we need to soak it first about 15-20 minutes. And when this one, just the cold water. Yeah, the amount. Yeah, for 1 portion. Sprout. And the boiled chicken. Yeah, this one, yeah, we put on top. Okay, depending on how much you like. Yeah. And then we put the soup. This one fried garlic with oil. We put on top. Chopped coriander and spring onion. A little bit of black pepper. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Chef Pi Tou's recipe for Kway Teow noodle soup. Looks good. Let's try the broth. Look at that broth. Full of flavor, sweet, pungent with the garlic, onion, the celery. These are the condiments. So you've got lime, chili, crushed peanuts, and we've got fried garlic oil. And you can use these, turn it into a tom yum if you wish, or any flavor combination of your choosing. So I hope you enjoyed that. Look after yourselves and each other. Keep cooking and keep subscribing. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and bang that bell. And we'll see you next time. Take care now. Bye.